So example 3, compound interest, Murabaha. So an investment account pays 4.2% annual interest compounded monthly. If 2,500 dirhams is invested in this account, what will be the balance after 15 years? So we need to have a look at what information we're given. Now, the formula that we need to use is going to be A is the amount at the end of time. P is the principal amount or the initial amount that's invested. This is going to be multiplied by 1 plus the rate. Now the rate is divided by the number. So this could be monthly, biannually. So it depends on the question. And then we have to the power, so the number multiplied by the time. So we need to find out all these values. So first of all, the principal amount. So if you look at the question, it says that we have 2,500 dirhams. So this is going to be 2,500. We need the rate. So the rate, if we look at R, and then it says 4.2% annual interest. Now we need to write this as a decimal. So this is going to be 0.042. We divide by 100. And then we need n. So n is going to be our number. So if we look at the question, it says compounded monthly. So this is going to be monthly, and there is 12 months in 1 year. So it's going to be 12. And we need the time. So the time, so what does this say about time? So it is invested and will be the balance after 15 years. So time is 15. So we just need to substitute in everything we know. So we've got A is equal to 2,500, 1 plus 0.042 divided by the number of months, which is multiplied by 12 times 15. 12 months times 15 years. And we can put that into the calculator and we can work this out. And this will be approximately, so let's change that to approximately, 4688.87. Remember, to make it sensible, we need 2 decimal places or to the nearest hundredth. So this is in dirhams. So at the end of the 15 years, this is what we'll expect. Okay, so a guided practice question for you. Find the account balance after 20 years if 100 dirhams is placed in an account that pays 1.2% interest, compounded twice monthly. So have a look at the question, pause the video. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Okay, so let's have a look at the question. So find the account balance after 20 years. So this is our time. So the time is 20 years. So we're given an initial amount of 100 dirhams. So this is the principal amount. So the principal amount will be 100 dirhams. And if we then have a look, place an account that pays 1.2% interest. So this is the rate. So 1.2%, we need to divide by 100, so 0.012. And then we need to find n. And if we read the question, so let's change color. So, and compounded twice a month. So this is 2 times in a month. And there's 12 months in a year. So it's going to be 24. So if you write down the formula, A is P1 plus R over N to the power of N times T, and substitute in the values that we know. So the principal amount is 100. The rate would be 1 plus 0.012 divided by 24 to the power of 24 times the number of years, which is 20. So if we put that into our calculator and we work this out, we will have approximately, so 127.117, we're going to round that, so this is going to be 127.12.